Hey crafters, welcome into Guys Craft 2. My name is John and we are counting down the days with Jenny's countdown to Christmas and we are on day 10. I have no idea where this month is going. It is going by much faster than I would like and I am still a little behind on getting gifts wrapped, getting them under the tree, and getting them packaged and shipped. I was pretty good about the pre-Christmas boxes that I send out to the kids and that, but I have not been so good about getting to the actual Christmas boxes. But you know what? I am getting to Jenny's countdown to Christmas. I am having so much fun opening her boxes, seeing what they have put in there, and we are on day 10, guys. So far, everything has been pretty much a winner for me. I have been very happy, and I'm excited to see what else Jenny has provided. And we know it's Jenny and her team, right? And this is, oh my gosh, I am going to tell. Oh, so it's meant to be a hanging Missouri Star quilt. Um, I would have personally called this a cutting board, right? Or I could actually use it as a charcuterie board, but I think it's really meant to be just a nice um, hang up on the wall, right? I don't know that that's necessarily what I'll do with it. I don't dislike it. I will have to say this is probably the first thing that I've gotten in the box where I go, okay, not sure what I'm going to do with it. I will definitely jump over to their channel and watch and see what suggestions and that were there, and in the Facebook group and pages to see what's there as well. The card does say, oh, it's a charcuterie board display. Create your charcuterie display, very impressive board, variety, blah, blah, blah. And then it's got a hanger on the back and it tells you different things that you can do it. So when you look at the card itself, John, it does help kind of explain what's there. We do a lot of entertaining and I try to have, we call it a ladies' lunch a couple of times a year, and I have different women from the quilt club over because I like to entertain. I love the women at the quilt club, and I like to be able to just be that type of host. So this will definitely come out. I can tell you, John is really hung up on mineral oil, so this will definitely get be blessed and rubbed down with a lot of mineral oil, edible mineral oil that is specifically designed for boards like that to help keep these preserved. But I think this will be fun then at the next time I have folks together that are quilters, we'll put this out and see how many figure out. You can actually tell the ones that shop and spend money, right? Because they'll go, "Oh my God, is that Missouri Star Quilt?" And I'll have to say, "Well, yes. By the way, we bought that, got that as part of our gifts in Jenny's Countdown to Christmas box." So overall, this is pretty cool. I think we'll enjoy it. I will definitely get it seasoned and ready to go, and I don't know that we'll have it ready in time for holidays, over the Christmas holidays, but we might be able to sneak this in even at our New Year's Eve retreat. How cool would that be? So, guys, I appreciate you dropping in, listening to me rattle on about the gifts for a few minutes. I did purchase this box. I am not sponsored by Missouri Star Quilt. I am not an affiliate for them at this point. This is just me, my opinion, and what I think about what's going on and what's happening. And like I said, I'm not listening to their channel and that until after I open it. So you get my full unbiased opinion. And since I paid for the box, I can be completely honest with you. But overall, very happy with this. They continue to do some amazing things this year, completely different for quilters. So it's not all about just fabrics and notions, which I think is pretty awesome. So thanks for dropping in. Please hit that thumbs up and do those things that make the YouTube algorithm happy. And as always, until next time, happy crafting.